Did you know you can use Instagram on your Galaxy Watch, get custom animated watch faces like these, play games like Temple Run and Asphalt, and even control the watch hands-free? I'll be showing you how to do that and more. These are the best Galaxy Watch 8 classic tips, tricks and hidden features. And by the way, all these tricks also work on the Galaxy Watch 8 series as well. I have also added the timestamp for each tip, trick and hidden feature, so you can also skip to the one you're most excited about. So the first trick is watching YouTube on the Galaxy Watch. For this, you need to go to the Play Store and install an app called Internet. Open it and you'll see YouTube right there. Now just tap on it and you can watch YouTube videos right from your wrist. You can view both shorts and long-form videos, but since the Galaxy Watch has a circular display, it crops the corners. But you can access them by swiping inward from the corners or just swipe up from the bottom and turn on this zoom mode toggle button. And now you can use the bezel to zoom in and zoom out of the YouTube page. In the Samsung Internet, instead of YouTube, if you tap on Google, it'll open the Google browser. In here, search for Instagram.com. Log in using your credentials, and now you can use Instagram on your Galaxy Watch. You can like, comment on posts, watch reels, view stories, and even reply to DMs. It's obviously not as good as the phone app, but still, you can access the full Instagram experience from your wrist. You can also access Facebook or Meta the same way by searching for facebook.com and logging into your account. I'll suggest you swipe up and add the Facebook or Instagram page to the bookmarks, so you don't have to search them whenever you want to use them. You can get these cool animated watch faces on your Galaxy Watch, and they can change when you tap on the screen. My favorite one is the Omnitrix watch face. To get animated watch faces like these, simply open the wearable app on your smartphone, go to watch faces and select this photo watch face. Now tap on customize, go to the background section and select pictures. Now select any GIF from your phone. The animated GIF watch face is now set on your Galaxy Watch. You can add multiple GIFs and cycle through them by simply tapping on the screen. It is really cool. The Galaxy Watch offers a lot of cool analog watch faces, and if you like to use analog watch faces, then here's a cool trick for you. Go to Settings, Sound and Vibrations, System Sounds, and turn on the ticking toggle button. Now whenever you're using an analog watch face, you'll hear a faint ticking of the second hand. This will make the classic Watch 8 even more classic. Classic or not, the Galaxy Watches are full-fledged smartwatches, which means you can stream songs and music files directly from the watch. But to download or listen to music files with services like YouTube Music or Spotify requires a subscription. But you can also load up songs or music files directly on the watch for offline listening without any subscription. To do that, go to the wearable app, Watch Settings, Manage Content, Tracks on Watch, and tap on Add button. You can now select any of the song files you have downloaded on your phone. After making the selection, tap on Add to Watch and done. All the songs will be loaded on your watch for offline listening, anytime, anywhere. And the best part is that you can play the music from your watch speaker as well as through a pair of Bluetooth earbuds. Now, the battery life on the Galaxy Watch has never been impressive, especially if you have an LTE variant like mine. So here's a Galaxy Watch 8 battery saving tip for LTE variants. Go to Settings, Connection, Mobile Networks, Mobile Plans, tap on your carrier and turn off the toggle button. This will disable the eSIM on your watch and it will consume way less battery, so you get more runtime. And when you don't have your smartphone with you, or when your watch is disconnected from it, or situations where you actually need the eSIM, then you can easily turn it back on from the same settings. Now, the Galaxy Watch 8 has 2 buttons on the side, but the Watch 8 Classic has 3, and let me show you what they can do. So the top one is the home button. One press takes you to the home screen, and the bottom one is the back button, which takes you back to the previous screen. But if you long press the top button, it opens up Gemini, and a long press on the bottom one opens the Samsung wallet, using which you can make contactless NFC payments. But if you quickly press the up button 5 times, then it will start the emergency SOS and call the emergency services. The middle one is called the quick button, and it lets you open any app or task quickly. By default, it opens the exercise tab, but you can change it from settings, buttons and gestures, action, and then assign it to any action you like start a stopwatch, turn on the camera control and stuff like that. And while here, you can also customize the actions for the top and bottom button if you want. However, if you want to control your Galaxy Watch hands-free, then you'll need to scroll a bit further in the buttons and gesture settings. Then you'll see the double pinch, shake and knock knock. Enable all these 3 toggles, and now you can use these gestures to pick up and end calls, start or stop music playback, stopwatch, and other such stuff. There's also the more functional universal gestures, which allows you to navigate and control everything on the watch. Tap on the I button to learn more about the universal gestures on Galaxy Watches. Now finally, it's time for some actual fun. You can play games like Asphalt 8, Temple Run 2 and Jetpack Joyride on your Galaxy Watch. Now obviously, these games are not available on the Play Store. You'll need to sideload their Wear OS APK on the watch. You'll find the link for the game's APK in the pinned comment. And to sideload the files, you can use apps like Bugjaeger. After sideloading the apps, you can easily run them on the Galaxy Watch. But since they are not native Wear OS apps, you can run into some glitches. Just close the app or restart the watch and the games will start to run. I've explained the full step-by-step process in this video. So yeah, these were some of the best Galaxy Watch 8 Classic tips, tricks and hidden features that you should definitely try out. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Wearholic. I'll catch you in the next one.